Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can get free Robux in Microsoft Rewards. So you're just going to log in first. You're going to go to rewards.bing.com. If you see here, there is a way to earn points. If you invite friends to join rewards and they search on Bing, you'll get up to 7,500 points. I only have 700. So here, basically, you'll need to just open up the search, and as you can see, here's where you get your points. It added 10 points. Then here I'm just going to press on it again, and as you can see, my points went up here. And there's other things to do here. So 100 points. Okay, enable search bar and search with it for 3 days to earn 100 points. Quote of the day: start your day with a quote. Plan a trip. As you can see, I've added 5 points to my account here. Some of them you just need to click on it and it will search for yourself. And some of them you'll need to use a search bar here. Again, plan a trip, I guess. Venice, interesting. Okay. And then just press on these. Okay, once you have enough points, you can go to the redeem section, maybe later, and then here is where you can earn a Roblox digital card for Robux. You can get 400 Robux. You'll need 6,750 points for it, so I will need, well, I think you need 7,000 plus more. You can redeem 400, 800, and 1,000 Robux, and there are points for that. So just do this every day. Who knows, it might fill up easily, quickly, and then you're able to get free Robux. So yeah, that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.